You know, such is life that you get one of your cars fixed in the driveway and another one goes down. Our 2016 Chrysler Minivan is creating a sound that I just can't quite pinpoint. I need your help. Here's a video of the sound. So this is the right rear area, and only when we make kind of right 90-degree turns. So my initial investigation into this and looking over a bunch of YouTube videos and comparing some sample sounds of other people that have claimed that are going through the same problem, they said that it was their dust cover back behind the rotor that was kind of bent or out of shape that was scraping against the rotor. To me, to my eyes, and I really don't know what I'm looking at or what I'm doing, but everything looks fine. I don't see any area where it shows that it could be scraping. Explain to me like I'm 5 if you guys can give me a plan of attack here and start to rule some things out to determine what's going on. I'm obviously hoping it's not a brake thing. If it is, I guess, you know, I can tackle that. I'll learn how to do that. But let me know what's my plan of attack going forward after listening to the sound and knowing that this happens when we make right-hand 90-degree turns. I'm kind of at a loss now, so your help would be appreciated.